Did you know you could start your online business and earn income online without any social media following as well as any tech skills? Well, let me tell you that this grandma is doing it. Why? Because I made a decision back in March that I was not going to sit back and let everybody else do it and not do it for myself. I owe that to me. I owe it to me to be able to earn income online, to be able to retire so that I can spend more time with my family and grandkids and travel, because I love to travel. So I made a decision back in March to join this program. I've been implementing everything that I've been listening to, and I had no following and I have no tech skills. So no need, because they give you all the automations. All you have to do is plug into them. All you have to do is set them up. It takes 2 hours and you're up and running. So if you're interested in knowing what I did to start earning income online, we have a free webinar today at 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And all you have to do is ask me for the registration link so that you can go and hear for yourself. All you have to do is go to my link in my bio, put in your email, and you'll get your information right away. So I hope to see you on the inside, and we'll be talking to you soon.